How to add height and weight in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add them. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now on the top, tap on your profile again. So here list profile settings. So these are the account settings that you can customize. Here on the first option, tap on clothing and shoes. So this is the section about you. Here you can add your height and weight. Simply tap on add, and here you can add both of your heights and weight. So here simply enter the number. So here I'm entering 1, and here on the bottom you can see weight, so you can enter the weight also. At last, simply tap on the save button and you'll be done. So the preferences will be according to the height and weight too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.